Hello everyone, this is Suel Raman from I Love Travel. Welcome to another brand new video, and I'm already in the Expo venue for Expo 2020 Dubai's 4th day video shooting. So just have a look behind of me. There is look like someone is sitting there. I'm going closer of this so then you can understand and you can see what is that actually. It's too big, look like human being. Someone is sitting inside that park. This is a park. It's between that is sitting here. Someone is sitting here. It's like a balloon. It's look like a balloon, and inside there is air and some lights also there. So that's why it's looking gorgeous and shining also. So let's see which pavilion I'll start today, and stay with me and enjoy the video. This is the India pavilion. So let's go inside. Just look how they're welcoming. I'm already inside of the India pavilion. Satellite. Oh. I think this is the world, Earth. And this all are different one. Which one is Mars? I think this or this. Wow, awesome. Just have a look, the technology. Oh my goodness. Green. Those are the rockets. There is a yoga. They are doing it practical. They're showing the practical. Just look. Excellent. Everywhere is green. It look like forest. Excellent job. It's look like a greenhouse. His name is Harb of India. This is the one of the temple in India. There is another temple. This is to be. This name is Kashi Vishwanath temple. See, in the screen they are showing this Bollywood. Taj Mahal. The Rangoli India festival. This is also festival. Firework. See, this is a lamp. They are calling is diya. Exercise. They're doing exercise, yoga. See, traditional dance. Every street have a different culture, different traditional dance. See the mountain. Coconut plant. Peacock. Wow. It's in Gujarat, India. See, is look like handmade. Is actually not. This is a 3D printed. See the technology. This exactly look like handmade, but this is 3D printed. Unbelievable. Just look, this is boat competition. This is also festival in India. Just have a look. This is in the roof. Smart city mission transform nation. This is the future plan of them. Just have a look. And this is made in India. This is another temple. It's a golden temple. It's look like made by gold, everything. Mr. Mahatma Gandhi's statue. Thank you. I'm already inside the Japan Pavilion. So they just have a look, just give me headphone and one device also for instruction. So I need to follow, and then where I need to go and how is it will be instruction by this device. So that's why headphone is there. So let's see what is next. This is the inside of Japan Pavilion. So just have a look. There, this is they're creating. How is the land? See, this is like a river. This is like agricultural land. This is like a pond with this water. And this is a space. Is how is that international space is look like? See, this is the Earth, and this is the satellite is rounding with Earth, and this is satellite they prepared with the clip. See, look like how is the land. See. Does it look like, how is look like the city? See, just have a look. This is the sea. There is another foggy zone in Japan Pavilion. Just have a look. This is the earth. Those are the flowers in Japanese language name. One is the Nirinsu Kuchinasi. Oh. It's too much foggy. Just have a look. In Japan Pavilion, every and each. All are the technologies with the laser light. See, volunteer also dancing with the music and lights also. Just have a look. Just look, present Japan. Oh, fog is becoming more now. So guys, this was Japan Pavilions inside. I hope everybody enjoyed. And for your kind information, next Expo will be in Japan in 2025, Osaka city. So who is already there, so they will be enjoy, and who wants to go, you people also can go. When the Expo will be start, you can go and you will get the easily the visa. Okay, so today's videos I'm finishing here. So you people will be, and of course, like, comments and share, and definitely don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends for subscribing. So, and stay with me, and I'll see you and with the next video in new pavilion. Good night.